Egyptian people, they are really good in driving. It will be more convenient for the tourist people to travel in public. So if you are a mall rat person, hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about some shocking things about daily life here in Egypt and what you should know before moving into Egypt. If you are new in my channel, click subscribe, like and share, bell button for more notification, and I'll see you in. Let's talk about some shocking things about daily life in Egypt you won't believe. First thing I've noticed here in Egypt since I came is people are passing the road without the pedestrian road. Imagine you're holding your life for a minute. It's just like a game with the people here in Egypt, guys. Game you called Cross the Road Challenge.
No!
People are not scared. Even though there's overpass, they don't use the overpass. Maybe some few people are using it, but most of the people, they are choosing to cross the road. You're facing a lot of cars passing the road. Let them stop. And there's no traffic enforcer.
Stop!
In Philippines, you cannot just pass the road like that. Imagine you are driving a car with 120 speed, then someone are passing like, stop, I'm going to pass. It's very delicate actually, but people are used to it. Second thing is the road lanes. Most of the drivers in Egypt, they are not following the road lanes. It doesn't matter. You can go to the left, to the right. You can do crossing. Whatever is that, but that is so crazy. But because of that, I believe the Egyptian people, they are really good in driving because they are managing how to drive in that situation. And they don't have also the bus stop here where the buses can stop, drop, and pick up the passengers. I think the government should work on it because it's very important. It will be more convenient for the tourist people to travel in public. Third thing, guys, is people usually kiss each other like beso beso. I'm counting it actually, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually it's 4 times you should kiss each other. It's kind of sweet here in Egypt. They are very cute in that case. I really love that gesture of them. Very friendly and very welcoming. Fourth is coffee and tea is life in Egypt. Usually the people here like to drink coffee around 2 to 3 times in the day. Maybe some people are more. And for the tea, guys, 3 to 4 or 5 times in the day. Maybe also some people are drinking more than that. But it's very important, the tea and the coffee here in Egypt, especially with the men. For me, if I drink 1 coffee only, that will be enough. But if I drink 2, maybe I will not sleep until the next day. Fifth is how the local people treat the Agnabeya here in Egypt or foreigner in Egypt. They are very welcoming and they will treat you like a very important person here in Egypt. You will get all the special treatment and they will be happy talking to you. They will be all smiling. They will be like they want to be your friend. All are really glad to see Agnabeya or foreigner here in Egypt. You will not believe how they will treat you. Try to come in Egypt to experience the special treatment from the Egyptian people and you will be surprised. This is the last shocking thing that I know will blow your mind. People in Egypt are usually drinking on the sink.
Oh my God!
And they have this free water station in some streets. And they are using one cup. Anyone passing can use the same cup and drink. Here in Egypt, they don't take it seriously at all. Now let's talk about the things you should know before moving to Egypt. First is the language. You should know some Arabic words at least before moving into Egypt. You can also learn Arabic language here in Egypt, and it's very convenient now here to take all those Arabic classes. There's so many offering Arabic classes online. Second is the culture. You need to be familiarized with the culture, especially the religion here in Egypt. Most of the people are Muslims, so it's understandable that the clothing should be a little bit conservative to respect the religion and the culture here in Egypt. The third thing is the malls. The malls are not available in all the cities here in Egypt, in Cairo. So if you are a mall rat person, or you love to be in the mall every day, you like shopping, you should be in Cairo City. So for all the Filipinas out there that planning to settle here in Egypt, I will highly recommend Cairo City or the New Cairo on 6th of October for you to live. It will be more near in the malls. I know Filipinas like malling, shopping. Especially we grow up in mallings. All the city actually in Philippines have malls, and it's very easy to buy everything you want in the mall. All are available in the malls. Fourth thing is the Egyptian money. If you are new in my channel, I also made some video for the Egyptian money for you to be more familiarized with each and every money here in Egypt. Wow! Fifth is the Egyptian food are really good.
Wow!
All the Egyptian food are very tasty, especially the beef. I've never tasted the same taste before in my life. I swear. The last thing you should know before moving here in Egypt is the winter is really cold. It's really freezing. Be ready on the winter season. Bring all your thicker clothing for your safety. That's it for today, everyone. If you are wondering why I look a little bit differently today, I made one video. I made Egyptian look makeup. Wow! Please watch it as well. And if you are new in my channel, click subscribe, like, and share. Bell button for more notification. And I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.